What's going on, guys? Let's see what we got here. So overnight, nice breakup on both. Where did we close yesterday? Somewhere around here. So we dipped pretty hard, and then we got bought back up to from 85 up to 4,300. Let's look in the weekly here. How long do we don't actually have that long. So we're making a run for it. We're trying to break these highs. If we break out, we're going to make a run for it. Now, there is a big weekly level short at the bottom of this candle here at 43.06. So I'm not just going to blindly short that. 43.06 right there. I'm not just going to blindly short it. I'm just going to watch to see how price action sort of evolves around it. So we got longs all over the place here. I don't really know which one's going to hit, and I don't really want to buy something this high up. NQ we've got to set up right here, top of this candle. 14,530. 14. That's about the only one I'd buy. 14,530. Other than that, man, I might even, if nothing sets up, I'm not taking it today. Here we go. Market's open. Let me see where SPX opened. Well, it gapped over everything. This could be a nice move up. NQ's got a short at 91. Yeah, that's actually really tempting.
Order filled.
That was a really shitty fill.
Order
I
filled.
gotta take it off there for 10 points. That was a shitty fill. I was on, so I'm doing like multiple funded accounts here, and I have another one on the other monitor. That was that was all right, I guess. What I saw, so what did I see? Big short level right here at the. Hold on one sec. Sorry, my throat's all screwed up. Just had to cough. Big short setup here at the bottom of this candle. 40. What is that? 14,591. We got to 14,590. I clicked it on my other screen here at the perfect fill. What did I get? I got 88. I come over here, I click sell market. It was already down 10 points. And then it continued even lower. So, a great trade, but now I think, well, now we're going to wait no matter what. Unless we somehow get all the way down to 430. But, no, we're just going to wait now. We're going to see what happens. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought could happen. So, you get, maybe you get one chance with the short, and then from there on out, you get ripped. Like, you get absolutely freaking ripped. Let me see where the, so 14, the bottom of this candle, right? So 14,647. That's the next short. Like, that's it. That was the trade. That's how fast you have to be counter trend. Now let me go on a lower time frame, just to kind of calm down here for a sec. Oh, I'm fine, but that's it. These are 5-second candles. Once that trade is over, the easy short is done. But if it goes down and then it rips back up, you go, oh, that's confirmation. Let's get short here, and then you get ripped. You get ripped a new one. You have to take some of these without confirmation when it's scary, and if they work out, then there's massive risk reward. And I understand you're just kind of, it's ripping into something, you're afraid to short it, but those are the ones you have to get that kind of entry, to get that kind of risk reward. You just saw it live, so you understand what I'm saying. And the temptation is to take it off quickly because, yeah, we got another 10 points, and I screwed up the entry by 10 points. But that was it. That was the thought process there, at least. Now, my brain is telling me to get long, but my brain's also telling me don't get long here. But it's so tempting because SPX wants to break out. Well, it's already broken out over the highs. So are we going to fail the highs? I don't know. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, that's weird. Why does SPX say that we've broken out? Is something wrong here? Oh, that's NQ, that's why. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so SPX has broken out. We'll just chill. We'll just chill for right now. I think I will get long at 64 if we get it.
Order submitted.
We're back at the highs. You see what I mean? If you're short this, you're not having a good time, right? Like, you kind of probably sketched out. And every time it dumps like this, and you have an average of like 80, you're like, oh yes, this is it. And then it's tempting to cover, and then it like rips back up. And it's just sketchy, man. So I'm good. I'm just chilling. There's no setups here. I took that one short. It was a beautiful short. Check it on the 1 minute. Yeah, up all the way down. That was less than a minute. Made $165. I'm not worried about that. I'm okay if I'm okay if that's it. I'm feeling a little better from yesterday as well. I got some more sleep, got a lot of food yesterday, so I don't want to go screw it up now and give back this, so I'm just going to wait. So, some more emotions there. Trade management. I'm going to have to watch that back. That was sloppy. I should have had limit orders on both, but I switched monitors, and it distracted me, and then by the time I got back here to click sell market, it was already down. That's okay. That's all right. Same trade. I had my stop in. Took it off when I should have. It's all good. It's all good. $15-minute chart. Also a breakout spot. There is a long here. If this candle closes, we'll have a high, previous candle high right here, and that will be a long setup. But all these other ones are better. There's better risk reward because they're lower, but I don't know if it will get that low. That's a 591 low on the 30-minute as well. What about the 15? 587. Yeah. So it was a really good hourly and a really good 30-minute setup. That's why it just dumped immediately. But that was the opportunity for people to get in. That was the liquidity 30 points lower, because we were down here, to get in. I'm in no hurry to short this, bro. Like, if this breaks out, excuse me, it will keep going. And we'll get 15K today. Like, stop trying to short uptrends. If you're the guy, if you're the Melvin, if you're the Jeffrey trying to short this, then just reevaluate. Ask yourself why. Is there a setup, or are you just getting emotional? Is it simply, ooh, this is too extended, it can't keep going? Or is there an actual setup? Because I find that it'll just keep going. There's no reason. Um, there's no reason that overextension cannot be sustained. The market can stay irrational, you know that quote? That applies here, especially on big caps, especially on indices. So, that's just some wisdom I got for you there. That might be it. Honestly, that might be it. I'm okay with that. That's how long was that?